Hello and welcome to the introduction to StoryBook. StoryBook is, in a nutshell, a photo report management system. There are already many software products on the market that allow users to import photos and then manually type in sentences or paragraphs under each photo to explain what the photo is about. For a user to manually type in these descriptions can take hours. Unfortunately, the people whose job it is to create these reports are not usually being paid by the hour. The result, of course, is that the descriptions of their photos are either very limited or completely non-existent. Frequently, these photo reports end up in appraisals, mediations, and even court. It is routine for the people who are arbitrating these cases to have to rely solely on the photo report that you provide as a basis for their arguments. It is also common that they will not be able to reach you to ask you questions about your photo report. Even if the people who are relying on your photo reports did manage to speak with you to understand your thought process, they would have to then make their own notes, usually by handwriting them. In the end, if the person relying on your photo report cannot make heads or tails of what it is that you are attempting to convey to them with the pictures, the case will likely settle for far less than it is worth, or nothing at all. For a very long time, the property insurance claims industry has been in need of a solution to allow people to quickly label their photos with the area or room in which the photos were taken, and then tag the photos with very detailed descriptions. Unfortunately, even this, in and of itself, is not enough. It is very routine for photo reports to contain hundreds and even thousands of pictures. It is unfair and unrealistic to expect the person that is viewing your photo report to read the captions below potentially thousands of images to gain an understanding of what you are attempting to convey to them. For this reason, we have created the Damage Summary report. The Damage Summary prints the name of each room or area that you have listed in your report along with the tags that went below each of the photos for that room, with duplicate tags deleted, of course. But even this does not quite tell the whole story. This is why we also give you the ability to manually add to the damage summary by typing in additional information, or, you guessed it, quickly dropping in pre-written damage summary tags to complete the story. So if you want the potential for your claims to settle faster and for higher values, start storybooking.